Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Today we're going to talk about MPG. Over 60 miles per gallon, or about 13 miles per gallon. This makes me really want one of these. This car's been in a number of times before for a few different things. So talking about bad MPG, Aston Martin V8 Vantage, probably going to get a bit worse on MPG. These cars come with 4 catalytic converters and we're now about to fit the Quicksilver secondary cap deletes to get some more volume. More volume equals putting your foot down, which equals worse MPG. But anyway, it sounds a lot better than the 420D. Let's get some revs of it once the pipe's been fitted. This is actually a 420D mild hybrid, perfect daily commuting car. This is a customer's been in a number of times. First off, it was for springs and spacers, Maxton gloss black body kit, and he's come back in for little things, carbon spoiler, carbon mirror covers. Today he's actually bitten the bullet, but we're fitting the MW3. Spec of the wheels, 8.5 front, 10J rear with a Vredestein tyre. So it's a 275 rear and a 235 35 front, which will just work perfect. We'll take these wheels off, spacers off, fit these, and it should really complete this car. White and black theme, big fan of, very similar to our M135i. And it's nice to start seeing these wheels roll out. We have good stock of them in 20 inch and the MW1 in 19 and also in 20 inch. Let us know what you think, and I'm really tempted to have something like this as a daily. Is this the perfect daily BMW? Let us know your thoughts down below. Thanks.